Hello everyone, welcome to Urbanscape Bangalore, and in today's episode we will be talking about growing the aromatic mint or Pudina from the kitchen scraps at home. This plant is widely distributed across all continents of the world. It is a perennial plant that is grown for its sweet-smelling leaves that are used as edible herbs. So the next time you are looking at making Pudina chutney or a glass of mojito, you must know that you can grow your own mint at home even in a very small space. The mint that you see here is called the spearmint, which is different from the peppermint, which has higher concentration of menthol. Both, however, belong to the same family Mentha. The mint is a very vigorous and invasive plant, so growing this in the ground could be a bad idea. Hence, grow this as an exclusive container herb. Frequent pruning of the mint gives out new growth in the plant. They give out flowers which contain seeds later. You can also grow your mints from these seeds. There are two simple ways you can grow mint from cuttings. One is by placing the cuttings in a jar of water. This is a common method of growing a lot of herbs. The other is the conventional soil method, which I will be showing you today. But I prefer the soil method because you don't have to keep transplanting the plant, because once the mint is in the soil, it stays in the soil. And now let us look at how to grow your mints in a container. For this, take few cuttings of the mint from your kitchen. Make sure that they haven't become mushy and they look fresh. Even if you do not have leaves on your stem, you can still propagate them. Choose stems that are erect and do not fall over very easily. The potting mix that I will be using is 1 part soil, sand and compost, all of equal proportion. The mint likes to be on the moist side, but at the same time prefers well-draining soil. Adding organic matter is important for a prolific growth. So you can use any size container for this, and I'm using a plastic container here. Add the potting mix into this container. After adding the soil, select suitable cuttings and make sure that you have enough nodes in their square stem. Nodes are that part of the stem from where the leaves arise. Cut off the lower leaves and give it a tiny scratch at the node to help boost root development. The stem must be placed in the container with these nodes immersed in the potting mix. Additionally, you can use a bunch of these stems by cutting off the excess shoot, and you can get a bumper harvest. Add water either in the tray like this or just sprinkle water on top of the soil. Place the plant in a semi-shaded position or in full sun. The mint loves consistent watering, so please do not let the soil dry. It can also be placed indoors wherever there is bright sunlight, preferably the southwest location. It gives out the best growth in full sun. Add a nitrogen-rich fertilizer, namely fish fertilizer or seaweed fertilizer, thrice every month during summer. You can add coffee grounds or tea leaves as well. The mint is harvested for its new leaves, so the more you prune, the more new leaves you will get. In a few weeks' time, you will have the mint rooted in the soil. So this is how the mint roots will look like. They spread throughout the soil with the help of these stolons. Each node on the stolon will give out a new plant. You can also propagate your mint by dividing these plants from the stolon. So this plant is very susceptible to a fungal disease called rust. That is a disease where the undersides of the mint leaves turn orangish brown. So use any kind of fungicide or neem oil pesticide to mitigate this problem. The mint is actually a very good pest repelling plant. Its strong odor actually repels insects like aphids, mealybugs and whiteflies. The mint is a versatile herb that is used in a lot of medicinal preparations as well. It is a very good digestive, and it also has pain relieving properties. The aroma of the mint is second to none, and the taste is just unbeatable. So with this, we have come to the end of yet another episode of Urbanscape Bangalore. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The links will be given below. Thank you for watching Urbanscape Bangalore, and until we meet again, goodbye.